We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Namaste dear student. Today we discuss about the cardiovascular disease. First, the disease occur in the heart as well as the blood vessels. Those disease we can say this is the cardiovascular disorder. In this point we have to discuss about the cardiovascular disease epidemiology. According to data, the causes of the cardiovascular disease may be increased from 2 crore in the 2000 and to as many as 6.4 crore in 2014. That indicate in the 2000 the ratio is only just 2 crore, and 2015 here we have to find out 6.4 crore population suffering with cardiovascular disorder. Prevalence rate of the cardiovascular disease in the rural populations will be remain lower than that of the urban population. That indicate in the rural populations, those are living into the village, those having lower cardiovascular disorder that compare with urban population. That produce so many responsible causes there, that may be food habit, means lifestyle, living lifestyles, those are also responsibly. That is we discuss in those particular disorder. In the younger adult age group of the 40 years and above are more likely to increase cardiovascular disease. According to the statistical data, here we have to finding largest share in the non-communicable disease. According to this, we have to finding 10% is the cancers, 2% is diabetes, 26% mental health disorder, 4% blindness, 31% this is the cardiovascular disorder. COPD and asthma just only 5%, 1% oral disease, and other remaining disorder those containing the 21%. According to these statistical data, we highly focus on to the 31% of disease out of total disease, those are cardiovascular disease. Rising the prevalence and mortality, according to this data in the 2000, 2005, 2010 and 2015, those are they become increase in the different age groups. First, in the urban and rural population 5.14, rural population 1.18, urban 6.53, rural 1.80, urban 7.92, rural 8.80, urban 9.30, and urban 1.80. That means that the age is the year is increased. That in 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015, the population of suffering ratio, those are that becoming increase. The age is increased, the ratio of rating here we have to finding is more. Here we can say this is the increase the mortality ratio of cardiovascular disorder. Same to same here 17.76, so here 22.99. Here this is the that indicate the ratio of the mortality is increase in the year by year. Next is shortly the conclusion of the death ratio. due to the specifically disorder, the coronary heart disease. In 2000, just only 1,80,448 patient or population, those are that become died. And 2015, the 4,19,680 persons population, those are that become dead. The age group 20 to 29, the 2000 this much of, in 2015 this much of that become died. Same as the 30 to 39 year of age, and 40 to 49 year of age, 50 to 59 year of age, 60 to 69 year of age. But this total concluded 1,30,57 people, those are that become died to coronary heart disease. And in 2015, 2,94,602,268 population, those are that become die. That means that this population, those are that become increase. This is the severity of this disease. Here, according to this chart, in the 2000, this much of cardiovascular people we have to suffer with in the legs. In 2005, this much. 2010, this much of population, those are that become suffering. In 2015, according to this data, we have to finding year is increasing. But 2005, 10, 15, 20, the cardiovascular disease, those are that become also increase. Burden of this cardiovascular disease in 2019, 90 to 2020 in the millions. Here we can say this is the India is the higher population, and those are chance of higher burden to suffering with this disease in the 2020. This whole disease, cardiovascular disease, carried the research work carried out in the Ascot Heart Institute and Research Center, New Delhi. This established in 1988. Whole research, those are carried out regarding to heart, working on this institute located in New Delhi. In this, we have to discuss about the various varieties of cardiovascular disorder. We discuss in the specific disease on the next lecture. Thank you very much for watching Pharma Josh YouTube channel.